On today's body cam, we're checking out woman's excuse for driving 85 in a 45 falls flat with no nonsense cop.
December 8th, 2025, officers conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle going 40 miles over the speed limit.
Hey, you got your driver's license on you?
You scared me to death.
Yeah, you scared me to death. You're driving like you run the road. Give me this ID for me, please.
I understand. I thought you were like following me.
Oh, okay.
Like not lying. The only reason, because like I was.
So why are you going so fast, Ms. Bond?
No, I literally felt like you were following me. That's what I'm trying to say.
So I encountered you.
Like when we encountered each other, I was like, why is this? And I'm on the phone, like.
It's a 45-mile-per-hour zone.
I know, and
We're up at 86, ma'am.
I thought you.
Everybody else seen it was the police. They stopped. I want you to understand that everybody stopped to allow me to get behind you when you jumped. You kept jumping through the lanes. Everyone stopped and allowed me to get behind you because they knew and seen it was the police behind you.
I'm trying to talk to you.
You're okay. What we need to talk about, Ms. Bond?
No, what I'm saying to you.
I got a 27 out of Tennessee when you're ready.
What I was saying is that I was really getting nervous when we first started.
Oh, you should get nervous. You should get nervous. Because this is the difference between a ticket and going to jail.
So where'd you first encounter me at?
I had first encountered you up Atlanta Highway.
So we're further up at West Broad Street, okay? I had just came out into the roadway. You came past me already at a fast speed, and you went in between the cars.
No. What did I come at you at? No,
So you came behind. I'm not going to argue with you, Ms. Bonnie. If you can listen.
No, I wanted you to listen to me because you were telling me your statement.
Go ahead.
Okay, I'm telling you that I understand. And I was like, oh man, there was somebody on my tail.
Go ahead.
And then when I moved the lane, you also got behind me. Honestly, I got scared. That wasn't because I was trying to avoid you. I didn't know. Like, I'm telling you that it's dark at night, and you can see on my license that I have astigmatism. So it's like, when I saw you come behind me, I was like, okay, let me move out his way, because he was kind of on my bumper. And then when you kept being on my bumper, I was like,
I went on your bumper.
I'm telling you.
I always stay at a car length to 2 car lengths behind.
I'm currently on the phone, and I literally was concerned about.
And that's maybe what the problem is. Even your phone is in your lap. In Georgia, we don't operate no phones.
I'm telling you that it's.
Your phone is in your lap as well.
It's just between my thighs.
In the state of Georgia, we're not. In the state of Georgia,
it's handheld, and I know that because I've been a law.
Yeah, you can't keep your hand. You can't keep your phone in your hand.
I'm telling you.
You can't use any part of your body to hold your phone.
I wasn't.
We're good, Ms. Bond. Hold tight for me, please. All right, so she's trying to say that I was following her. I passed her initially further up when I came out of that little hill right there by Longhorns, and she was flying through traffic then. Got behind.
She going to jail. Too much talk back. It's just like, ugh.
She shot over into the left.
You couldn't let the officer just talk. Like, that's how a normal conversation goes. I talk, you listen. You talk, I listen. And that's how conversations go. But when I talk, you trying to talk and trying to talk over me and like.
Lane. We come to that red light at oh Lord, 2360. And she gets over. I hit a left turn, every car stopped because they knew what time it was, and then she just shot off. Boom, we come up here about 86, shooting up here 86. I'm gonna go 1095 with her. I understand her saying she got a phone in her lap, speeding, failure to use turn signal. Just give me a heads up, she might be tripping. She said she was a law student, so I'm just letting you know. That doesn't stop what's about to take place, so. We're going to get her out real quick. Hey, Ms. Bond, can I get you to step out the vehicle for me, please, ma'am?
Wait, what?
So, I need you to step out the vehicle, please, ma'am.
But you haven't explained to me.
Ms. Bond, I'm asking you to step out the vehicle, please, ma'am. And I'll explain to you once you step out the vehicle.
You haven't even been nice to me. I don't even understand.
Ms. Bond, I need you to step out of the vehicle, please, ma'am.
There are people on the phone.
Oh, boy. See, she got the game messed up. Officers do not have to be nice to you. He's professional. He's stern. He's just to the point. It's not, you're not friends. You're not buddies. None of that. He's just giving you orders. Do the orders. That's it. But if she's a law student, she should know that when the officer asks you to step outside the car, you might want to step outside that car.
Okay, so what you've been pulled over for? Here's that. I don't have to even answer them. I'm talking to you, and then we're gonna go forward for this. So you've been pulled over for 86 and a 45 for failure to maintain lane, for aggressive driving, and having the phone in hands-free device in your lap. Okay. So Ms. Bond, I need you to step right here. You will be placed under arrest. Okay.
Wait.
Do not pull away.
No, please
no, you're gonna get obstruction charge.
No, please stop.
You're gonna get obstruction charge. Come on, ma'am.
Follow instructions.
Come on, ma'am.
Hold on. I really understand.
Come on, ma'am.
This in a minute,
no, I really understand. I've never been. No.
I just got here, but like I'm telling you, we
Please,
can talk about this in just a second, okay?
No, sir, please. You understand?
We'll talk about this in just a second, all right? Here, look,
No, Ashley, calm my mom. No, I won't.
Look, we'll
I
talk
told
about
him
this
how I
in just a
was
second,
done.
okay?
Hold on, Ms. Bond.
No, I told him how I got so nervous because there was a person following me at night, and I literally have division and parenting. Like I have a stigma. I didn't see that it was the police.
Okay, we can talk about that.
No, like I'm literally a minister
Ms.
in the
Bond,
church.
Ms. Bond, that has nothing.
You
None of
weren't
this has
trying to
nothing.
speak to me. You weren't trying to speak to me at all, sir.
She said, I'm a minister in the church. What does that have to do with you doing 80 and 40 or something like that?
You weren't acting like you were understanding what I was telling you. What was going on, ma'am?
Sir.
You could step back there. We'll get. You want your phone? What you want to take with you?
Yes, I would like to.
Okay, Miss Ashlyn, she's gonna call you back. All right, she's not gonna be able to talk on the phone. All right.
Here, look.
We'll go down here real quick.
Wait.
Look, I just got here, okay? I'm not exactly sure what's going on with it. We'll figure it out together, all right?
No, sir.
Let's step towards the back of this car, okay?
It's in my middle console where it's big.
No, it was in your lap.
It was my keys that were there. It was literally my keys.
Where's your
My
phone?
keys. It's in my middle console where
Okay,
it
where's your
always
wallet?
is.
Where's your wallet?
In my purse.
It's in your purse. Do you want to take your whole purse or just your wallet?
Yes, I was.
Whole purse? Okay. Look, I'll make sure we
Please.
grab everything.
No,
Look, we'll
sir,
go to the back of this
please.
car.
I'm a PhD student at UGA.
Look,
I wouldn't lie
we'll go
to
down
him.
here. Look, I'm not saying you're lying.
I wouldn't lie to him.
I'm expressing
He
that I
wouldn't
just
even-
showed up,
He
okay?
wouldn't even listen to me, and I know you heard him.
Okay,
but he
look.
wouldn't even listen
Look.
to me, sir.
Miss,
Sir,
look,
I
okay,
hear you.
Take a deep breath real quick. Look,
Hold on, I hear you.
I'm going to explain how this is going to go, okay? I understand you have some, your own side to this, okay? I'm not saying you don't, okay? But you can argue this in court. You'll be released on citations, okay? You're not going to be sitting in jail.
Sir,
Okay,
I
you're just
already
going to be
have.
released on citation, all right?
Sir, I already.
Look, now I
Sir,
want to
what does
explain.
that mean?
It means you're going to go to jail just to get fingerprinted and booked in, and then you're going to be released back out on
No,
citation,
you don't
okay?
understand.
You'll be given a set bond, and that set bond's going
No,
to be
you
for
don't
citation, okay?
understand.
Look, I need you to understand this next part,
No,
okay?
sir,
I'm
please.
trying to-
You
there's
know,
no-
I
there's
was
no-
scared. No, you don't understand that I was
Okay.
scared when he pulled
Look,
out. I didn't know who was
sweetheart,
behind
look.
me. His car, his lights weren't even on.
I understand what you're saying to me, okay?
You understand
You're
how
try-
scary it is
Look.
as a single woman driving and
Look.
somebody starts tagging
You're trying to
you?
give me your side of the story, but what's done is done. You're under arrest, okay? I'm trying to get this process done so
but
we
he
can
hasn't
go.
even brought my stuff. He's
Look,
talking to my people.
I make sure we'll get your stuff, okay? I'm trying to facilitate this so we can get this done quickly, okay? Because I don't want this to be a whole night process for you, all right? I understand you're probably feeling a lot of things right now.
Sir,
That's perfectly
please.
okay. So this next part consists of me searching you. Before I do so, I just want to know, do you have any
No.
drugs, needles, knives, any
No.
grenades, any bazookas,
No.
anything on you?
No.
Okay, so just so we're both clear,
Can I have a woman? I'm very
so unfortunately,
scared.
there's no female on shift right now that's available, okay? That's why I'm explaining this process thoroughly to you,
I'm
okay?
very scared
So
about
I'm going to
this.
use the back of my hands,
I'm
okay?
very scared
I want to
about
make sure
this.
we're both on the same page,
I'm
okay?
very scared.
These goddamn
No
blue.
reason to be scared. I'm explaining the process to you, okay? I'm going to use the back.
Yo, these blue lights is crazy, man. This shit, the way this hitting the eyes is crazy right now, man. Golly. Turn the lights down or have it just the spotlight, the white light with the solid. These blue lights is crazy, man.
Hey, look at me. Look at me. I'm explaining this process to you. There's no female officer available. I'll be using the back of my hand to search you, okay? You'll be placed in my car. I'm going to take you to the jail. You'll be booked in on the citations that are going to be written out to you, okay? Then you'll have a chance to call some people to come get you or pick you up because they're obviously not going to have your car when you get out, okay? Your purse,
I
your
don't even
phone.
know what you got.
I got your phone for right now.
You want your purse?
Yes, it has
Okay.
my keys.
Is it in the passenger side? Where's your purse?
So your car's gonna be towed. I suggest that you leave your key with the car.
Yeah.
Because they will drag your car if there's no key.
We can't just leave your car in this business lot, okay? So your car will get towed, but like I said, you'll be able to call somebody. They'll be able to come get you to sort all that out, okay?
None of my family lives here. What you don't understand. None of my family lives here.
Just Uber back to your apartment.
Oh, you don't understand.
Just traffic citations, Miss Bond, okay? It ain't nothing with no warrant.
Why can me and you talk, sir? I'm a PhD student, and I was trying to tell you how scared I was in real time. Hold on, no,
I'm a PhD student. Listen, no one cares about your accolades. That's what a lot of people do that. They get to talking about all their accolades and everything that they have accomplished like anybody cares. The only person that cares about your accolades is whoever you're trying to get a job from. That's it. That's it. No one cares about your degrees. No one cares. That's the only person that cares is whoever you trying to get a job and work for.
I was scared in real time because a random person was following me, and I'm a single woman here in Athens. Okay, in Athens. Okay, people have called me.
What else would you like out of?
You know what? No,
I've been
you're
there
not.
10 times over. I understand. I
You
was
haven't
Georgia.
been
That was
there.
a pretty bad area too.
You haven't been there, but you're not even
what
listening.
What else would you like out of the car? We can talk later. I need to, so we don't want to violate you by having you out here longer than you need to be. The sooner you get to the jail,
like that because I can't even ask for a
She just
female.
wants her purse. She just wants her purse.
I did. I said.
Okay, look, listen. I explained this to you once. I'm not going to explain it to you again. There's no female officer available at this time. I'm going to search you with the back of my hands. Are we both clear on that, okay? I'm trying to be as respectful to you as possible, but with you yelling, I can't really do that, all right? I'm going to try to look at me. We're going to go about this as quick as possible so you can be on your way, okay? I don't want to be here with you all night. You understand? You don't want to be here with me all night. You want to be home, don't you? I'm trying to get you home, so we're going to do this as quickly as possible, all right? You understand? You hear what I'm saying? I want to make sure we're on the same page so we can get you out the cold, all right? You understand? Okay, I'm going to search your collar. Make sure you ain't got nothing tucked in. All right, back of my hands. You ain't got nothing in your pockets? Okay, if you turn around for me.
This is absolutely ridiculous. She is over dramatic, man. Listen, and this is the thing that I don't know how this all came about where, I want to request a female and I want to listen. Anybody can pat frisk you, male or female, both ways. If a female has to pat frisk a male, she's going to do it. If a male has to pat frisk a woman, he's going to do it. It is what it is. The pat frisk are done a little bit differently when you're dealing with the opposite sex, but the opposite sex can pat frisk you. Instead of like this, like how you would do a guy if you're a male, right? They check. It's the back of their hand. It's the opposite. You know what I'm saying? So you can't say, oh, he grabbed my boob. Like, come on, man. Like ridiculous.
You got nothing tucked into your boots? Okay.
I'm putting your keys in here, okay? I can put your keys and whatever this pink thing is with your stuff.
All right. It's not going to be the most comfortable thing, but you just try to get comfortable. It's easier if you set... It's easiest if you set your butt down first and then you turn, okay? So just go ahead and take a seat for me.
Wait, I don't even have family in Athens.
Look, Ms. Barnes, we can sort this out later. We're just trying to get you through this.
I don't even have family.
Quicker, okay?
How do you talk to people that have family?
Look.
What do I do?
You can try to call a friend. You can try to call an Uber once you get out because you're going to be able to bond yourself out. Do you have your card with you, your credit card, your debit card? You'll be able to pay.
I don't even have money.
Look, this isn't going to be like a super expensive thing either.
Damn, you just named all your accolades and now you broke? I got a PhD. I'm a law student. You don't have enough money to buy an Uber? God damn.
Okay, they'll work with you at the jail to make sure they can get you out too, okay?
Let me try to start penciling on some of these.
Okay.
And because there's no way I'm gonna finish them. So just give me a couple seconds to hopefully let them go ahead and get this. And I'm finished. What is it? If I can pencil them all out and get the ABR done, then we're gonna take her. But because once you take her, if I don't get the citation stuff, but I gotta fill out all these citations real quick.
Okay, so what are you writing her for?
So she's gonna be speeding, hands-free.
Okay, I'll write the hands-free. It was
hands-free and do the failure to maintain lane.
Hands-free and failure to maintain lane. Okay,
I'll do the speeding and aggressive driving.
Okay.
The woman was charged with reckless driving, aggravated speeding, improper use of a hands-free device while driving, and failure to maintain lane.